Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. A wooden garden fence is a common and versatile fencing option used to enclose and protect garden areas. Wooden fences can serve various purposes, including defining property boundaries, providing privacy, enhancing the aesthetic of a garden, and keeping out unwanted pests. Here are some key aspects to consider when it comes to wooden garden fences. Types of wood. There are several types of wood commonly used for garden fences, including cedar, redwood, pine, and pressure treated wood. Cedar and redwood are naturally resistant to decay and insects, making them popular choices for their durability. Styles and designs. Wooden garden fences come in various styles and designs, such as picket fences, private, privacy fences, lattice fences, split rail fences, and more. The choice of design depends on your functional and aesthetic preferences. Privacy versus aesthetics. Determine whether you want the fence primarily for privacy or as a decorative element in your garden. Privacy fences typically have taller and closely spaced boards, while decorative fences may have more open designs. Height. The height of your garden fence depends on your intended purpose. For privacy, you shall want a taller fence, while decorative fences can be lower. Maintenance. Wooden fences require regular maintenance to prolong their lifespan. This includes painting or staining to protect against weathering, rot, or insect damage. How often you need to perform maintenance will depend on the type of wood used and your climate, posts, and installation. Properly installed wooden fence posts are essential for the fence's stability and longevity. Posts should be set securely in the ground and the fence panels should be attached securely to them. Professional installation may be necessary for larger and more complex projects. Gate access. Consider where you shall need gates for access to your garden. Ensure that gates are well constructed and designed to match the fence style. Cost. The cost of wooden garden fence varies based on factors like the type of wood, fence design, size, and installation complexity. It's essential to budget for both the initial installation and ongoing maintenance costs. Climate consideration. Wooden fences can be affected by the climate in your area. In the region with a lot of moisture, it's particularly important to choose rot resistant wood and apply appropriate finishes to protect against moisture